I haven't spoken to anybody in 4 days. Oh, 4 days. Come here, tell me something. Before anything else, a huge shout out to LM, channel link on the description below, for inspiring me to do the 6FANARTS challenge. You should definitely check out that channel. And my social media link should be up this week. Apparently, FB and IG bans words like COVID, lockdown, quarantine as a page name, so as not to spread fake news and stuff. And there it was, my channel name is Comments on Lockdown, so that was fresh. So there, I'm still working that out, but it should be up this week, hopefully. Normally I just do pencils, but ever since this whole YouTube thing began, I'm loving inking more. Well, it's a journey, as is everything. But I'd like to get my hands on some pro stuff, like Micron pens, a set of Faber-Castell pencils, and Copic markers. But at the moment, that's a want, not a need. So let's tighten our belts just a little bit longer, because you never know. Well, until this is over.
go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go. You go.
As always, if you're liking things so far, consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video if you're so inclined, and don't forget to check out the featured artists in the descriptions down below.
To the place I fell in love, I took you home, my heartbeat started rising. I traveled there, looking around for you. I kissed you there, longing for you. To the place I fell in love, I took you home, my heartbeat started rising. I traveled there, looking around for you. I kissed you there, longing for you.
Tell me what you think on the comment section. So if you're liking, start subscribing. Guys, thank you. I'll be uploading every Wednesday and every Sunday Manila time. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay subscribed. This is Comics on Lockdown.